Where are you going? Camarcos. Wow! Babakasyon siya. Are you excited? Ayan, so medyo mahaba na yung pila from there. Yan, from there. Kasi may dalawang pila. Yung isang pila for PWD seniors. Then, itong isang pila sa amin, regular. Kung may kasamang bata, may isang kumpanya na nandoon. So, yeah. Going to Kamaya ko.
Drop your worries, pick up on this one stream of love we're riding on. Don't believe those silly rumors. Life is a chore. I'm telling you, just 5, 4, 3, 2, count it down with me. We'll blast off, and next you'll see what's behind us. Train and disappear out of view. Breeze down this highway.
Meron. May kasamang bata. Thank you. Ayun. Smile. Arte. Smile. Smile. battery.
Ate, may power bank ka ano?
Oh.
Siya nila pang develop ano? Kaya pala siya ganun pa siya kamuga.
There. So, it says Infinity Pool going there. And lahat ay dito sa black. So, let's go. Kaka-secure lang namin ang mga gamit namin. And then, we're heading to the
So 11 na.
scheduling booth.
11 na, 11.
Magsa-schedule kami ng game, ng activity. So,
Time
sobrang-
check, it's 11 a.m. Bago pa nakarating dito, bago pa nakapila, ng everything.
Ganun tayo.
Let's check it out.
Good by my whole world shine. Hey, 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 it's a beautiful day. I can't stop myself from smiling. If I drink in
Hi guys. So today, tanghaling tapat, kami ay mag-inflatable. So kami ng dalawa ni Bien. Hindi makakasama si mother kasi si Tutoy ay hindi pwede. So, doon. Anong oras na, Bien? So, 11:11 na. Dito naman tayo. And, yan. So, waiting lang kami, guys. Sobrang ganda. Okay, guys. So, mag-inflatable kami. Ngayon, viento. Grabe, sobrang init at hindi ako nag anong tawag doon? Rash guard! Sobrang latina! init. So, we're going to Aqua Fun Water Park sa taas. Tama ba? Binabaan natin, hindi ba doon? Dito? Oo. Hindi na kami nag-kayo. Kasi it's so init. I'm sorry. Ayun, may nag-uuli. Pili ko pataas nga yun. Hirap na siya maglakad.
Baby!
Uy!
Bakit kung ba mag-land sila? Pataan naman sila.
Dito po po nila.
Diba? Pataas ang bigat.
Siguro yayaman ang mga...
So, yan yung nakakatid sa amin. Dahil yung park. Tapos, yung ticket booth. Lalagyan ka na. Let's go. Yeah. Perfect. So, here kami sa Aqua Fun. Talagang sobrang pangbata niya. And yun yung mga extreme na slides. So, let's try it later if kaya kong time. Yeah. Everyone is gonna die and no one is gonna remember you. So,
Ready, set,
fuck
go!
it. Everyone is gonna die and no
On
one
your
is
mark.
gonna remember you. So,
Ready, set,
fuck
go!
it.
I was scared of dentists and the dark. I was scared of pretty girls and starting conversations.
So, ayun, medyo may
Friends are turning green.
itim na siya. So, it's already 2 p.m. So, kailangan magbihas and all. Kunin yung mga gamit. So, yeah. Ganun ba? Pupuntahan natin siya.
Bye-bye! Babay na kayo! Babay na kayo! Jackie?
Though, marami naman mga villas na free to sleep. So, occupy nyo na lang yan kasi libre lang yan talaga. Let's go! Let's go! And then, bitin. Bitin siya, guys. Babalik siya once, fit. Fit to work. Kapag fit to work na kaming wala na. Yeah. Dahil libre naman yung mga coaster back and forth. Sasakay kami. Slay, lay, lay. Ayan. So, nakasakay yung earth. Isang babasa ng car.
And they come unstuck. Lady, running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left
So, pa-hotel daw si Jess.
when you sing the song. And I got locked in my room 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong.
Ayoko na.
Scary. Kala ko dun lang sa inflatable nakakatakot. Dito di ba? Bye-bye, kuya. May kasama po kaming kolorum.
Wow!
Kolorum na bata. Madaya ang bebe, may kapit sa siman. Thank you po.